Hello friends, today we are going to see how to use JavaScript to interact between web pages. Let's open our project. So here we have index.html and login.html. So we are going to use JavaScript so that we can interact between these two web pages. How to do this? First, let us open web browser, then we type http. So this is the index.html, and when you click login, you get a login page, the one we created in the previous lesson. So but here we use anchor tag to interact between home page and login page. So when you click home, you get a home page. When you click login, you get a login page. So let me put another button here, so that when I click that button, automatically I go to home page or index.html, and this button will use JavaScript. So how to do this? So let me come to our codes. Then I come here on this login page. Then I go down. So let me increase this. So here you have button to login. So I'm going to put another button. Then I say back. Now I save. I go back. Refresh. So I have two buttons, login and back. But let me put it back before login button. Then save, refresh. So we have back and login. So I'm going to put these two buttons on the same line. So to put them on the same line, I'm going to use a div. Then I combine them together like this. So let me here put a div. Then inside this div, I put these buttons. Now here I'm going to use inline CSS. So as we know, we use style. Then I put display, then flex. So this display flex will allow these two buttons to be displayed on a single row. So how? So let us save, then we see. So but here let me separate them. To separate them, I can also use inline. Let us use also inline CSS for this button. Then we say margin right, margin light. Let us say 10 pixel. Then I save, I refresh this. Okay, so we have back and login. So when you click login, you are going to login, but when you click back, you go back to the index.html or to the home page. So I'm going to put JavaScript here so that when user clicks back, automatically he will be redirected to the home page or to the index.html. So I come here, then on this button here I put on click. Then let us say maybe the function is back. On click back. Now after creating this function, we are going to put here internal JavaScript. So we put internal JavaScript here, script. So function back. Now so when user clicks back, what will happen? Window dot location dot href equals now index.html semicolon. So I save. It means when user clicks here on this back button, automatically the window will be redirected to index.html. So me save, then I go back, I refresh. So then I click here back, automatically I come to the index.html. So let's go back here. Now suppose that I want to refresh this page without using this button on the web browser. So here I can put a button so that when user clicks that button, the page will be reloaded. So how to do this? Let me create another button here. Maybe let me put it here. Okay, so here I put a style, then I say margin. Now I'm going to put margin left to separate them from the login button, maybe 15 pixel. So when user click, then the function is reload. Okay, so when user clicks, this function will perform the action. So I come here, internal JavaScript. So here I put another function. The function is reload. So I remove this on it. Then I say window.location now .reload, like this. So when user clicks reload, the window will be reloaded automatically. So let me save, then I refresh this. So but here I have to remove this caption. I change it, let me change it. I say reload, save, then I go back, refresh. So I have back, I have login, and I have reload. So when user clicks here, automatically the web page will be reloaded. So to see the change, let me put something here and here, then I reload. So you can see that the web page is reloaded. So in general, this is how we use JavaScript to interact between pages and to reload the page. Thank you for watching. See you next time.